We have 1 day left. 1 day until the Federal Reserve starts their meeting. And what are they going to do? As you can tell, I'm in my truck, but wanted to get this video recorded for you guys because this is important information. So I want to drill into this. As always, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below. Drop a like if you get some value out of this, because there's a lot that I want to cover real quickly for you. So right here, right now, we've got the market moving down. Yeah, the market's moved down almost another percentage point from earlier, about an hour ago when I was looking. So right now we're at 3.82 down. Bitcoin and Ethereum down about 4% and almost 6% respectively. Fully expected this is the volatility and the uncertainty around the federal meeting starting tomorrow. The meeting begins tomorrow, and it's going to be from the 26th to the 28th. And this is all around what is the Federal Reserve going to do? Okay, so the expectation, guys, is that the Federal Reserve is going to raise the base interest rate 75 basis points. Okay, now if you don't really know what this is or why this matters, here's what this comes down to. The Fed and what they do or don't do has a direct impact into crypto. Okay, it does. It historically has always had an impact in crypto. Obviously, it impacts the stock markets as well. But this is the uncertainty around what is the Fed going to do or not going to do related to raising the base interest rate. Okay, now about a week or so, maybe 10 days ago, we got the CPI inflation data report, and it came in at 9.1. This is continues to be a 40-year high, 4-decade high. We were expecting 8.8. Now that may not sound like a big difference to you. So instead of just a little bit move up, we got a 1.3% increase. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it was massive. Now, the bulk of that 1.3 increase on the inflation data that we got was due to higher gas and fuel prices. Okay, now those have started to come down a little bit nationwide, which is a good thing. But this is the next step here, right? So we had the inflation data report that we got about 7 to 10 days ago. Now, tomorrow, the Fed starts to meet, and it's what are they going to do? If they raise the interest rate 75 basis points, that's pretty much built into the price, meaning like it's built into, kind of what's going on with the price, what's going on with the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, etc. It means that the market has effectively digested the fact that, yeah, it's probably going to be 75 basis points. And what you see right here, the move down 3.82% as of recording this video, is just kind of volatility leading up to it. That's uncertainty leading up to the meeting. Now, here's the issue, okay? So the issue is if they raise it 100 basis points. That's the concern. That's the fear. That's the uncertainty. That's really the big part of kind of this volatility. If the Fed raises the base interest rate 100 basis points, I think fundamentally you can fully expect a massive bearish move down, maybe hopefully short term, day 2, 3, 4 days or so, but it could kick off a little bit more of obviously bearish sentiment, because it will be like, all right, man, that's not a number the market were expecting. Okay, we're expecting 75. I think even if we get 75, we're going to have some knee-jerk reaction. We're going to have some negative movement, but I think that dip should be eaten up fairly quickly, because we've had weeks to kind of get to this point where the media and everybody's been saying, yeah, it's most likely going to be 75 basis points. But if it's 100 basis points, guys, that could be some pretty significant move down. You could see in that scenario, you could definitely see Bitcoin possibly moving below 20,000 and back into the teens. And you could see Ethereum move down, maybe even closer to 1,100, 1,000. It could lose that much that quickly if we get that 100 basis points move down. Okay, so again, stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel, because I'm here for you every day, watching this, monitoring this kind of stuff, and wanting to keep you up to date. So thanks for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you.